it's J Beauty and welcome to my channel. Jumping right into this tutorial, I'm going to start the style on freshly washed hair as I always do. Okay, so to start this style, I'm going to make a section in the front, in the middle, and this is going to be for the 3 braids going back, and I'm just making sure that the parts are nice and clean and they're pretty straight. And once I feel comfortable with this part, that it's nice and straight, I'm just going to make another part going downwards and then clip this section, this new section of hair up, and then I'm going to continue and do the same thing to the other side. This is just to make a nice blueprint so I feel nice and comfortable and everything is nice and organized, so when I do work on the section of hair in the middle, it is nice and clean and already prepped. And also a side note, this is the second time that I'm filming this because the first time I accidentally erased what I did the night before because I was rushing and I thought I was erasing pictures, but I actually erased the video clips that I did. So this is my second time doing this part. The next part where you see my hair has dried, that was on a different memory card, so fortunately I didn't have to do that part, but this is a do-over. And this section of hair looks really good to me, so I'm just going to twist it and clip it up, and then I'm going to prepare to twist my hair. But before I do, I had to section my hair again in the back. I feel like my hair has gotten a lot thicker, so I do have to section my hair a few more times just to make sure that when I do the LOC method, the moisture and all the products is really getting in my hair and I can smooth it in well. So speaking of moisture, I'm going to add some water in my hair because water is a moisturizer alone, and this is really going to help to get that water, that moisture in my hair, and then I can start to apply the products. So apparently the camera was not recording what I just did to my hair, so let me show you what I did. I'm going to apply the Eden Body Works Almond Marshmallow Therapy Leave-In Conditioner, and as I've already mentioned, I feel like my hair has gotten a lot thicker, so after I have divided the back section in half, I'm going to divide it again into another half. So within this subsection, I'm just going to apply the leave-in conditioner and also the serum that goes with this collection, and this is the Almond Marshmallow Hydration Serum. And I really did like this serum. I noticed that it made my curls pop. So it has a different consistency, definitely. It has slip, but it's not greasy. It doesn't have like that oily feel, but it definitely has some slip. After I finish applying the leave-in conditioner and the serum, I'm just going to twist this subsection of hair up and continue on the other section, and then I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other 4 sections of hair. I really like how the serum clumps my curls together. Now that I've applied the leave-in conditioner and the serum on all 5 sections of hair, I will be starting the twist on my hair, and to help with the twist, I will be using the Eden Body Works Hydration Custard. For the twist, all I'm going to do is to part my hair and make another subsection of hair within this section. I will apply the hydration custard to this section as a whole and work it in really well. That's really key for a great twist out. You want to make sure that you A, apply a good amount of product to your hair. Also B, you want to make sure that you are smoothing the products in your hair really well. Now all I'm doing is going to make sure that my hair is detangled, all the strands are smooth, going in the same direction, that my hair feels good. And once I'm confident on all 3, then I will start to twist my hair, and it's pretty easy. I have so many tutorials where I twist my hair. All you're doing is wrapping 2 strands of hair around each other, and I'm twirling the ends of my hair just to encourage the curl at the end so it doesn't unravel while I let my hair air dry. I will link a couple tutorials on how I 2-strand twist my hair that I think will be very helpful for those of you that are still learning how to 2-strand twist your hair. I'm going to continue to 2-strand twist the back section of my hair and the front side sections as well. Now all 4 sections are twisted as they need to be so I can work on the top section of hair. With this top section of hair, all I'm going to do is make 2 parts so that I can have 3 sections of hair that I can cornrow back. As I'm parting my hair, I'm just making sure that the 3 sections of hair are pretty even. Now that I have the 3 sections of hair, I'm going to put a little bit of the hydration custard in this section and smooth it in with my favorite comb. I love this rat tail comb. Not only can I part my hair with this comb, I can also smooth in products, which is excellent for doing styles like this. This rat tail comb is really sturdy, it's firm, it doesn't rip my hair out. I love this comb, especially when doing a lot of styles that I do. It is absolutely perfect. So now I'm going to cornrow my hair, and to cornrow it, I'm going to make a small section of hair and have 3 sections of hair. So think section A, B, and C. And all I'm going to do is start weaving each section of hair through the middle. So I'm going to put section A through the middle under to the section C, and I'm going to do the same thing with section C, going over to section A through the middle, and I'm just going to continue this pattern over and over and over again. I do have a few tutorials where I show you how to braid, and I will link them below in the description box. Now that I have the cornrows done, all I'm going to do, instead of continuing to braid my hair all the way down, I'm just going to twist it. This is a lot easier instead of braiding, and it also has a nice texture for me when I do the bow. And here are the 3 twists. And here's how my hair looks before it dries. And I'm just going to let my hair air dry. Typically my hair will be dry by the next day, so here's how it looks after it has fully dried. I am going to mist my hair with a little bit of water for some moisture before I unravel the twist. And I like to unravel the twist from the back, so that's what I'm going to do. So all I'm going to do to unravel the twist is unwind them in the opposite direction, and then I'm going to gently pull on my hair. That's going to help with the natural separation, so I'm not causing unnecessary frizz. And then I'm just going to separate the twist about 4 to 5 times, and I'm going to continue this process on the rest of my hair where the 2-strand twists are. And I have a lot of definition. I love the curl pattern I get from doing a 2-strand twist out. That's why I do them so much. And here's another style that you could do. It's really cute. Now to prepare for the bow, all I'm going to do is take the bobby pins out and put this section of hair into an elastic. As I'm putting my hair in the elastic, I'm just going to make sure that the last go around I don't pull my hair all the way through, just about 80%, so I do have that 20% that I could fold over, and that could be the center part of the bow. Right here, I'm just taking that 20% of hair and folding it over, so this is going to be the center part of the bow, and I'm just securing it with a few bobby pins. And I'm just going to play with the bow a little bit just to make sure that it's nice and fluffy, and any hair that does come out, I'm just going to tuck it over with a bobby pin, making sure that that bobby pin doesn't show. I just want this bow to be really nice and big, but not too big. And this is the finished look. I absolutely love how the style came out, from the volume, the definition. The style is so fun, so chic yet unique. Let me know down below in the comments if there's any styles that you like to see, because I definitely value your input and your feedback. Overall, I just love this style, and if you did, please give me a like, comment, because it really helps my channel, and make sure that you are subscribed. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!